Today I will show you how to play music on Spotify while playing Roblox on your mobile device. First, make sure you have both the Spotify and Roblox app installed on your mobile device. Once installed, open the Spotify app and find the song or playlist you want to listen to while playing Roblox. Now, without closing the Spotify app, navigate to your home screen and open the Roblox app. Once in Roblox, enter the game you want to play. Now, wait for the game to load. Now, as you might have noticed, the music stops playing. The music stops playing in Spotify as soon as you open the game. So go back to the Spotify again and minimize the songs in screen. Then head back to the Roblox and drag down the console panel and just play it. And there you have it. You are now jamming out to the Spotify while playing challenges in Roblox on your mobile device. It's the perfect combo for an immersive gaming experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gaming tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and may your Roblox adventures be liked with epic soundtracks from Spotify.